The Confucius cut is perfect for the chili sauce pork ribs. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. The best things need patience. Just like this recipe, it is not difficult to achieve, but it needs a little patience. 3 cookings are required. Here are the ingredients for 3 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the pork ribs into chunks. Crush the garlic cloves. Peel them. Chop them. Finely mince the spring onion. Prepare the simmering sauce. Put in a saucepan the Millennium sauce. I reduced the one I froze earlier from other recipes. You can watch my video that explains how to make this sauce. Add the chopped garlic, the chili paste, the hoisin sauce, and the cornstarch. Combine all together. Start by frying the pork ribs over high heat for 12 minutes. Remove them. Put them in the sauce. Let them simmer over very low heat with a lid for 1 hour. Stir 3 times during the cooking. Remove them and put them in a baking dish. Keep the sauce in the freezer for next recipe. The oven is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Put the ribs in for 20 minutes. Turn them halfway through cooking. And pour a little cooking sauce over them. Put them back in the oven for the last 10 minutes. Sprinkle with the spring onion. The pork ribs are tender and their taste is intense. Enjoy them with jasmine rice and vegetable pickles. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.